Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin, a complete information technology learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to upload shorts video in YouTube from desktop or laptop computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. Go to your YouTube. Now go to your YouTube studio. It's a very easy technique to upload shorts video. Hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Now click on upload video. Okay, now you can drag and drop your shorts video. Okay, look, this is my shorts video. I am dragging and dropping it. Or you can click on select files to select your shorts video. Look, in title box, you will give your title. My title is Increase Followers on Facebook page 2023. Okay, now give a comma and you must give here a hashtag for shorts. This is YouTube recommended that title area you have to give a hashtag that is hash shorts. Now in shorts video you don't need to give any description, just copy it and paste your title here. Now scroll down. No need to use thumbnail because YouTube Shorts do not use thumbnail. Okay, now select your playlist, then scroll down and use your title here, and you can use related tag. I'm giving Facebook because my video is related to Facebook page. Okay, now scroll down. Everything is okay. Just click next and click not of the above. This is for monetization purpose. Click submit rating. Okay, now click on next. Click add card. You can add your previous video here. I'm adding a card. You can add many card here. Minimum 5 card. Okay, then click on save. Now click next. Again next. Click on public. If you want to publish your video right now, you can select public, and then the video is still checking. When check is complete, then publish button will be available. If you want to schedule your video, just click on schedule and click here schedule time. I am scheduling 28th of March, and I'm changing the time to 6 p.m. Okay, 28 March and 6 p.m. Now I'm waiting. Now checking complete, and schedule button is activated. Now click on schedule. Then your post will be published on 28 March, 6 p.m. This is the way to publish your YouTube Shorts video. Look, click on content. Look, your Shorts video is posted as scheduled. It will be published on 28 March, and this is the Shorts logo. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.